Welcome to TradeLite by Aditya Birla Money Limited. Let's get started. First, log in to your TradeLite application using your secured credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your watch list where you can search for and track your favorite stocks. TradeLite allows you to create up to 5 watch lists, giving you the flexibility to organize your investments efficiently. On the Orders tab, to view your pending orders, trade book, and executed orders. Stay on top of your trades with ease. Head over to the Dashboard tab to access a multitude of features and products designed to enhance your trading experience. In the Funds section, you can check your current balance and conveniently add or withdraw funds. Stay updated with the latest market trends by visiting the Analytics tab. The option chain provides an overall view of different expiries with strike prices, helping you make informed decisions. Want to see sector-wise trends? Go to the Sector view for a comprehensive overview. Ready to invest? The Invest section allows you to invest in IPOs, mutual funds, sovereign gold bonds, and invest back. To view your current holdings, click on the Portfolio tab. See your open positions by navigating to the Positions tab. Visit the Profile tab to view your account details and customize your app settings. Thank you for choosing TradeLite by Aditya Birla Money Limited. Happy trading!